to another big story that is from the northeast related to the flood situation in northeast. The Prime Minister has taken stock of the situation. He has spoken to the chief ministers of the northeastern states. That's a big breaking news coming in at the moment. The Prime Minister has spoken to Assam and Sikkim chief ministers. The Prime Minister dialed Manipur governor also as well. He has assured full support, centre's full support to all the flood hit areas and states. Centre is closely tracking the entire situation. So that's the latest coming in. Pragya is joining us live on the broadcast. Pragya, big statement coming in. The information coming in at the moment is that the Prime Minister himself has taken stock of the situation there in Northeast and has also spoken to all the chief ministers of the northeastern states. Give us more details on the type of assurances, which the northeastern states chief ministers have received from the Prime Minister, the PMO.
Well, you're absolutely right. Prime Minister has spoken to Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma and also Sikkim Chief Minister. Apart from that, he has also spoken to Governor of Manipur, Ajay Bhalla. And, all kind of assurances have been sent to them. And also, Prime Minister has spoken to them about the kind of, help that they would be needing. The flood situation in Northeast has remained critical even today as we speak now. And, the toll has also has risen. And in fact, there are also problems of landslide and other, natural calamities. Apart from that, there are many help that these states would be needing in terms of NDRF, in terms of army kicking in for the support role when it comes to rescuing people. There are also many affected areas in many regions. The current wave of floods and landslides across the northeastern region that we had seen. So all of that is a very critical situation for Northeast, and in fact, Prime Minister has always been focusing on the Northeast, and this is the time that these states need help from the center, and any kind of disaster management help, any kind of help that the people of the country and administration need from the army, and any sort of relief that they would need. Prime Minister has assured every help from the center to all these northeastern states that are now affected by floods.
All right, Pragya, stay with us. We have reactions coming in. The Chief Minister is also speaking out. Let's listen in to the reaction which has come in. We have a post by Himanta Biswa Sarma, who also has spoken about how he a short while ago spoke to the Prime Minister and about the latest flood situation, saying that the Prime Minister has assured all help, when it comes to the northeastern states, and he said that he's grateful for obviously the help, the assurance which has come from the side of the PMO. Viewers, as the monsoon season is approached, remember northeastern states obviously are already grappling with floods, landslides, and we are bringing you ground reports also showing you how heavy rains which has battered Assam and Sikkim, Tripura, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur and other states have caused water levels to rise when it comes to Brahmaputra and obviously the other levels of the rivers which are rising dangerously. There's a severe flood situation that's unfolding in the Sri Bhumi district as well in Assam. Water levels are also rising. They are flowing above the danger mark. Road transport has been disrupted. They've cut off connectivity when it comes to states like Assam, Tripura, Mizoram and other states. Lakhs of people have been impacted. 50 or over, multiple relief camps rather have been set up. Several areas, this is in various constituencies in Assam also have been inundated due to the breach of the river dams. A deep low pressure system which we are seeing over the Bay of Bengal, which has paralyzed the entire northeastern and the Barak Valley. We have multiple reports, ground reports which we have filed, reports and also reactions of officials also which have been coming in rather. Let's listen into all of those.
इस साल इतना बारिश हुआ, एक दिन में 400 अबव mm बारिश हो गया। ये 30-32 साल के बाद ये पहला बार ऐसे बारिश हुआ और अभी भी चल रहा है। और बेसिकली हम लोग का सबसे बड़ा जो ये मिजोरम और मणिपुर में ज़्यादा बारिश होने से हम लोग का ये बराक, कुशियारा, लोंगाई, सिंगला सब नदी का जो लेवल है उसे सबमर्ज हो जाता है, ओवरटॉप हो रहा है। अभी पानी ओवरटॉप हो रहा है और अभी परिस्थिति अनुकूल में नहीं है, फिर भी हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं। और माननीय मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर हिमंता बिस्वा शर्मा जी ने बार बार खबर ले रहे। हम लोग का डीसी महोदय खुद है, हम है। अभी तक हम लोग का करीमगंज श्रीभूमि जिले में लगभग 40 का ऊपर अभी तक रिलीफ कैंप हम लोग अभी ओपन हुआ।
In fact, it's not just Assam, but also Sikkim, which is where we are turning to, where we are seeing it's one of the worst affected and the worst hit areas, which has suffered a significant damage. The bridge we are speaking of is a very vital bridge there for locals in nearby villages, and further, the damage could completely cut off several areas. The water level of the Teesta River are also rising rapidly. They're creating a very dangerous situation. Locals are obviously on high alert. Rescue teams are also monitoring the situation. However, if heavy rains persist, the situation possibly could worsen further. Times Now is bringing you more. We have ground reports. Let's take a look.
Times Now has reached Sikkim, and currently we are reporting from Mangan, which is also one of the severely and worst affected area by the floods. Behind me is the Teesta River, you can see, and the flow of the river, the water level of the river has been rising, seems like every hour, and that's what we have been observing over here. However, there have been fluctuations, but the kind of water, the kind of flow of the water that we are witnessing over here certainly is giving goosebumps, because you know, this is the kind of water level the people have never witnessed over here. And here on my left hand side is the Phidang Bridge. Here also you can see the Phidang Bridge, which is in Dikchu Sangklang Road, and we'll move forward towards this bridge and show you that how the damage has been caused over here on the bridge as well. The entire bridge also, in fact, not just entire bridge, but some parts of the bridge are damaged. Times Now, the only channel to take you to the most sensitive and the affected areas in Sikkim on ground zero. One by one we'll show you that how the destructions have been caused over here. You can see that how the bridge, in fact, you know, there are some portions of the bridge over here that are affected due to these severe floods, and we have been seeing that how not just Sikkim but several districts, several northeastern states, it be Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, they have been severely affected by the floods. Red alerts have been issued in these areas, and now in fact this entire area is the sensitive zone. That was the old bridge, sure enough, that was the old bridge from where people used to travel, and now because there was cloudburst in this area, and in the past also this area has had witnessed severe rainfall, and not just that but also floods. So that's why this area remains to be one of the most sensitive area. But the area from where we are reporting, that is this particular bridge, the Phidang Bridge. You can see that the water level over here is continuously, the water level over here is continuously rising, and that's why people have been asked to evacuate this entire area. They have been asked to not to stay in this area. We'll move forward and show you, keep on showing the visuals. On that side also, it shows the flow of the river, it shows the intensity, it shows, that with that how, that how intense is the flow. Not just that, but how the water level has been, rising. Remember that 30 people have already lost their lives in this entire floods, and also in fact more than thousands of tourists were stranded in several parts of Sikkim, say it be in Mangam or say it be in Lachung or say it be in Lachin. If we talk about Lachin, then yes, let me tell you that there are hundreds of tourists who are still stranded in Lachin area of Sikkim, and if we talk about Lachung also, then the rescue operations was underway where thousands of tourists were stranded and they were all evacuated with the help of SDRF and the NDRF team. Now, Times Now has reached in the mid of the bridge, and we are showing you the visuals that how horrifying it is over here, how the scenes must have been when there are downpours, because certainly when there are downpours, you can see in the visuals as well that how the water level could have been rising over here in this entire area. And that's why when there is downpour, there are also in fact landslides reported in this area, and that's why the main route to this highway, or we can say the main route that connects Mangam to further areas, that were also disconnected.